Welcome to 4youElectrical. Now we'll go for this 4youElectrical. So now we'll show the alternate for the MS Word. Okay, this alternate for the MS Word is LibreOffice. So I use the LibreOffice. Okay, in this LibreOffice it is similar to that of MS Word. So here the file menu is same for the LibreOffice as well as MS Office. So here, so we're having the options, will be having different types of options. So here we can find a different option, that is export option. Okay, so in the MS Word we did not find the anything. Okay, in this way. So this open source software MS Word, that is LibreOffice. So from here we can convert this word. Okay, so whatever the word file is there, we directly convert this word file into PDF by using the LibreOffice. So this is the different. Okay, first we'll select the one LibreOffice. Okay, LibreOffice. Okay, this one is the open source open source tool LibreOffice. This one is for the different. So as that of the MS Word. So that is for only used for the different. So if it is having the purchase value, we don't have the one. So then we can use a download from the LibreOffice one. Okay. So here I written the small sentence, that is for electrical LibreOffice open source. So we can convert this one is using the export option. Here export as PDF, export as PDF. Okay, so I've changed this one export as, okay, user file, links, security, digital signature. Okay, we can also digital signature for the certificate also. Okay, so general certificates, how many pages, which one pages you want to change. Okay, create one format, so FDF, PDF, XML, HTML. So different values are there. Okay, I'm selecting the PDF. Okay, so here I select an option view PDF after export. Select an option. Here if you want to put any watermark, you can use a watermark here. Okay, initial. So page only, how many pages, so magnification, view, zoom factor also there. User interface, resize, initial, open, full score, mid, links, either any links are there, that will be shows here. Okay, this one if you want to put in a security for the office file, you can put in a safe file. Okay, digital signal, so we can add this one. So here I'm going to just small doing that, creating the PDF. Okay, so I'm putting the export. Okay, I'm showing the add document. So document, I'm putting the Word to PDF. Word to PDF. I save this one. Now we'll go for the documents. We'll go directly to the documents. Okay, here Word to PDF have been found. So I open the file. Okay, our PDF file is open now. Okay, see, this Word file is converted to PDF file. It is easily by using the LibreOffice. So this one is another part. So how it is written. So this one is Word. Okay, so we'll having the different version. So here we can find this one LibreOffice one safe mode. So here give over the LibreOffice section. So LibreOffice, Calci, Draw, Impress, Math, Writer. So here we can find. So for the MS Excel we can the Calci. Okay, calculator, MS Excel. Okay, if you show that one, it will be easy for you. Okay, so same options would be affordable, so you can easily. Okay, so you can also, this one you can easily convert as a Excel to PDF. Okay, this is the most useful option is there. So filter option also there, image, pie charts, or different symbols option. Okay, it is easy to use the alternative for the MS one. Okay, MS Office. So you can usually for different version. Okay, thank you. This is 4youElectrical signing off.